Hello, welcome back. No, I really shouldn't buy any more projects, but sometimes something comes up that's on your bucket list. It happened this week. I picked it up yesterday. Right now I'm waiting for the clouds to clear so I can get it in without getting it wet, but do you want to see? That is how far I got, but let's take a peek. I am hoping it's nice. Not so nice. Can you see? Royal Enfield 500 bullet. It has a little bit of customization, but due to the whole story of Royal Enfield, I have been looking a long time for one of these, and this came up, and I'm really looking forward to digging into it a little bit. So 1997. So yeah, great bike. I'm gonna make better pictures. Just hang on a second. Note to myself, really cool sign. Quite hard to move around, and I found out that I don't even have a wall that's big enough. And then I think this is shit, and then I move it up, get the light through it, and it's absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, but a little bit more difficult project than first imagined. Oh, it's dark in here. This big box is original parts for the bike that I got with it, except for the green bags. That's 2 coils for a Fiat that I got thrown in. And also even the plastic basket is from India, so is the bike, of course. And all these original parts, some new, some used, that the initial owner bought while he was actually living in New Delhi when he bought the bike, and then he took it back to Denmark. So he bought a lot of spares because they don't cost anything, at least in India. I think this is pretty cool. This is a dog horn to scare off the dogs on the streets. Don't think my Danish MOT guy will be impressed if I mount it, but yeah. Something like this is just like Christmas if you are a nutter like me. But I'm gonna pack it all out, and then we're gonna see a little bit more to the bike. But see you. Taking a gamble here. I think the weather holds. Just have the towel in here so I can get it over quickly again. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot yet. It was just a quick impulse buy. The right price. I couldn't figure out Spanner limited edition by looking on the seller's picture. And then when I picked up the bike, it all made sense. The original owner of the bike, his last name was Spanner, so he customized the bike a little bit to his preference and then called it a Spanner limited edition. That's quite funny, but who would have guessed? It's not a normal name in Denmark, where I'm from. And, something that I really appreciate. It still has its Indian license plate. It has been registered in my country, but it has just been put on top. highly unoriginal exhaust. I think it's gonna be quite loud. The original is with the bike. It also got the original Indian license plate here. So, but like I said, I don't know a whole lot yet. So, but this is for me always the fun period when you get to dig into something and really learn about it. So, well, if you know no more than me, that's highly possible in this case. Well, tell me what you know.